Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing about how to fix the number stored as text error in Microsoft Excel. Have you ever received an Excel file where the numbers are being stored as text format instead of number format? As you can see, if I try to check if these product codes are in text format, the results are true. This can be problematic. Over here, I have a lookup table which maps the product codes to their respective products. I will now try to use the XLOOKUP formula to get the product using the product code. As you can see, the XLOOKUP formula doesn't work because the product code here is in text format, while the product code in the lookup table is in number format. So how can we resolve this issue? If you try to convert these product codes directly to number format, the XLOOKUP formula still won't work. The first method you can use is to highlight all the cells, click on the error symbol, click on Convert to Number. If the first method does not work for some reason, you can try this second method. Enter 1 in an empty cell. Copy that cell and highlight the product codes. Right-click and select Paste Special, then select Multiply and click OK. I hope these tips are useful for you and thank you for watching this video.